Hi there, everyone. As per our call this afternoon, I wanted to just run through and have a recording of the demo that I created for you. So this is something that I created on a Friday afternoon last week, just to demonstrate how easy it is for us to create things for you, or alternatively for you as a business, if you have access to the tools, to do it yourself. I'm going to start off with something simple. As mentioned, we have Smalltalk built in. What I'm going to be doing is just starting off with some frequently asked questions. This could be from the basis of a doctor or a pharmacy asking questions into AstraZeneca about some of the pharmaceuticals you have to offer or the services. Once you obviously have the information there, there's links to the order now. So you can change whatever the hyperlink is here, and that can link through to a specific page, etc. And these emails can also be linked. I just don't have the dev skills to be able to do that myself, but that's very simple for us to be able to do. We can also embed video. This can be hosted anywhere you like it. In this instance, it's hosted within YouTube, and it can play directly within the chat itself. Hyperlinks can also be put within the text and also here at the bottom too. Now, as you can see here, I asked a simple question. I would like to see your prices. I can ask it a variety of ways. And this is part of our technology called Octavo. This is the layer of IP that Humley has created that sits on top of whatever AI framework you're working with, whether that's IBM Watson or Microsoft or Amazon or Google. And what that allows us to do is simply enter in a handful of questions that could be asked, various ways in which the same question could be asked, and then multiplies that by 1,000-fold to allow really easy use of the system for people who are then uploading questions and answers for people to then ask on the actual chat interface itself. I've now started an exchange, which is a question asking about side effects. And this is letting the AI know that I'm wanting to find out a little bit more information about a specific side effect that I've come across. Now, I could be a doctor asking the AI this question, could be in the middle of the night when no one's able to help me. And this is where the AI can step in and take the place of a person. I've set rules in place here so that if I was to put in an incorrect spelling of the drug, it will come back with I'm sorry, this is not a drug we produce, as a result of which I will have to spell it correctly. Conversational flow allows the AI to garner all the information needed. As a result of which this can be fed into any system, software system, whether that's CRM, accounts, billing, procurement, you name it. In this instance, it'd probably be a CRM system, as it's a doctor logging into it. What I've also done is created another exchange to allow Pearl to be able to see what we were discussing at the AI Summit, where a lab technician is in a situation where their hands are busy, they're holding something, a piece of equipment, or handling toxic chemicals, whatever it might be, and as a result of which they're not able to touch anything in a sterile environment. So in that instance, this could be voice activated, but for the demonstration purposes, I'm just doing it with typing. Now, our AI understands that my first name, Alex, and last name, Geddes, when it asks me what my name is, and it automatically breaks that out to first and last name. As you can remember, in the session, I added in an extra layer of the questioning, which is, what is your building's postcode? Which is actually my house's postcode. So as you can see, that conversation flow has resulted in all of that information being taken down. In this instance of an example, this can be done through an Alexa device, or alternatively, it can be done through Google Home, as well as being typed in on a keyboard. But all this information is being gathered by the AI, and then what it would then do, ideally, is be connected to a system which would alert the relevant team, in this case, the hazmat team, and taken down all of the details that are pertinent to the situation. I hope you found that to be useful. If there are any other ideas that you want me to include, please let me know. It's very simple and straightforward for me to develop this further for you in my own time. Thank you very much.